everybody, welcome to another video. So today I'm outside the shop and it's very windy, so I hope the microphone isn't too bad. Maybe if I hold it a bit closer. Yeah, so today I'm going to be installing a inline CO2 diffuser to the Aquascaper 900 in there, using this CO2 Art one. This got quite overgrown in there, so that's sort of restricting the flow of the water, so the CO2 from the in-tank diffuser isn't quite distributing around the tank how it should. So some of the plants are starting to look a little bit tatty, like this Blixter japonica is starting to get a bit brittle and it's not getting as much CO2 as it should be. So yeah, we're going to install this, and yeah, hopefully I'll do a sort of how to install an inline CO2 diffuser. So this tank is due a big maintenance session, and as some of the plants, especially the Blixter japonica, like I said, is getting really tatty and not growing so well. Rotala at the back there needs replanting, and yeah, as you can see, hopefully the reflections aren't too bad. The bubbles from the CO2 diffuser, very dirty, it needs clean, apologies. Just going straight up to the top and they're not getting distributed around the tank. So I think an inline diffuser is just going to allow those bubbles to just get everywhere, and hopefully we'll see a lot improved growth in the plants. So let's get to it. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this diffuser. So that's a fairly straightforward task, just pull it out of the tank. You can see it's attached to this CO2 Art Pro SE regulator, really good, reliable CO2 regulator, dual stage. So yeah, let's remove this one and then we can start installing the new one. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure all the CO2 is turned off and the fire extinguisher handle is open, so there's no gas that's going to escape whilst I'm working on it. Right, so I'm going to fit the inline CO2 diffuser onto the outlet of the filter. So as the water comes out of the filter back into the tank, CO2 is going to come in here and it's going to get diffused into the flow of the water and then just get distributed around the tank nice and evenly. So yeah, I'm going to take that out, drain the pipes of water, cut them, put that in line, CO2 goes in there. Simple, what could go wrong?